How's my breath? The idea for today's balloon came by way of my friend Christine over at Volunteer Balloon Decor.
Yes, and she's the best.
She's good, but I'm the best.
Ah, wait, this is too small. Wait, here it is.
Okay. She was asked to make one of these, and she decided to pass the challenge on to me. I have not seen what she made, but I'm sure it's very good. Today is just my attempt to make one of these, and I've never made one before, other than a prototype I made when I got her email. This will be like the second one I've ever made, and hopefully it looks like it's supposed to. Where's the picture?
We're not supposed to show them.
Well, I know we're not going to show them, but anyway, we printed a picture and we're going to try to model it after that.
Here.
So the moment that you think you know what I'm making, post it down in the comments here. Maybe even put the time of where the video was when you first got the guess. Naturally, Christine, since you know what I'm making, your guess doesn't count. Don't say head.
People will know what you're making.
Shh. They won't. No, they won't. Does anybody know what I'm making yet? Didn't think so. Okay. Assistant, fetch me another balloon. No, because really long. All right, hang on. Any ideas?
Orange! Hey, this is not licorice. Licorice!
Assistant, show me the picture.
I always hide it when I like.
All right, let's see. I think it's kind of obvious we're making some kind of a person character.
Daddy!
Now for the hardest part, making it look cute. Let me see the picture. She's talking about the shadow.
What shadow? She's not a shadow, but why can't
Now it's getting pretty hard because certain details make it or break it. So he's got one more accessory, which should make it very obvious who he is. I'm going to show you the picture I'm working off. Unfortunately, he looks a lot older. I made a teenage version of him. He was supposed to be a baby. Here, hold on to that. It's so hard to make a balloon baby without making him creepy. Okay, so he's got some, they're all triangles. Okay. Okay, finally.
We're done.
This is what we are going for. As I said, it doesn't look like a cute baby. This picture here is what I was aiming for. It's a Bamm-Bamm. Sorry, Christine, this was the best I could do. I know you wanted a baby Bamm-Bamm. Mine's more of a teenage Bamm-Bamm. You know what he also reminds me of? Is the character from The Simpsons. Sideshow Bob. He reminds me of a Sideshow Bob. I bet you I could make a really nice Sideshow Bob. But this was supposed to be Bamm-Bamm.
Who's Sideshow Bob?
Who is Sideshow Bob?
Yeah.
My dear child,
Daddy.
we have failed as a parent. Do you not know The Simpsons? We haven't let her watch The Simpsons. So that's the front of it. Side, that's the back. That's how I did the hair. Don't look at that part. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
And don't forget, we're still doing a giveaway. That giveaway is still on till February 21st. So get over to that video and post a comment with your guess as to how much watch time we will have. We still need more people to get in that draw, and we need a lot more people to share our videos because we need a lot more watch time. Okay, how's my hair?
We'll just put it here.
No.
That looks like a girl.
Yeah.
Wait, here?
Okay.
That's a girl's. Looks just fine like that. Wait.
How's
That's
my
how.
teeth? My eyebrows?
Daddy.
Yeah. How's my breath? All right, we can get
How
up.
about use the boat?
No, okay, just the one, or we're not going to do this. Just the one, or we're not going to do this. Okay, get up here. Okay, hold on to that.
Dad, I'm talking about your dad.
Turn around.
No, your dad. I'm talking about your dad. Oh, there's your dad.
This is for our thumbnail.